Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Hello everybody, myself ASIF PAZHERI. I'm here to give you a crash batch on the most important chapter in your CA foundation exam, that is probability. In my regular batch, I'm finishing the probability chapter with the help of 54 different heading. Now I'm giving you from 6 different topics instead of 54. From 6 different topics, I'm giving you some of the very important questions so far as your exam is considered. The topics I'm covering is, one is dice, tossing dice, 2 die, and question on 3 die. Then I'm covering questions related to coins. Then I'm covering sets, mathematical expectation, variance, few questions on combination, as well as 1 or 2 questions on conditional probability. The first topic I'm going to cover is dice. Let's discuss the questions. The first question on dice. There are many different types of question on dice. 2 unbiased dice are rolled. What is the probability that their sum equal to 9? Question on directly asking on sum. This is the one kind of question. Even in the 2018 November foundation question, they tested what is the probability that sum on the face of the dice is 9. From the sum, another model is coming. What is the probability that sum on the face of the 2 dice is either 5 or 7? Then another model question is coming. What is the probability that their sum is neither 3 nor 8? Then there is another model is conditional sum is there. Then they are asking what is the probability that their sum is at least 7, their sum is at most 7, their sum is 10 or more, something like that. Then they are asking questions on difference on the dice. They are asking questions on division on the sum. These are the questions they are testing in from the topic called dice. The first topic is dice. Let's discuss the first question on die. Question is, 2 unbiased dice are thrown. What is the probability that their sum is 7? This is the question. Actually, for cracking this question, there are many answers is given. 7 by 36, 5 by 36, 6 by 36, and 4 by 36 is the answer which is given. For doing this question, first you have to write the sample space. The sample space are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, like so. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. You have to write the sample space. Then you have to add, you have to count down how many items whose sum is 7. Like that the question has to be done. Now for the time being, I'm not going to write any sample space. I'm going to teach you a technique where you can crack the question on the sum of the dice and division, either or, neither nor, these questions in seconds. Let's discuss the technique. Now instead of sample space, the technique is very simple. Let's see. The sum on the face of the dice could be 7, the sum could be 6, some could be 5, some could be 4, some could be 3, some could be 2. On the other hand, some could be 8, some could be 9, 10, 11, and the maximum sum is possible is 6 plus 6, it is 12. Now there are 6 lines with 6 members. So there are 6 into 6, there are 36 number of items is there. So getting any of the sum, the total number of items is 36. So any sum, the denominator is 36, because the total number of items is 36. So denominator of every probability, it will be 36. Now let's discuss what is the probability that sum is equal to 7. Sum is equal to 7 is just 1 minus 7 minus 1, it is 6. So answer is 6 by 36. 6 by 36. Sum is equal to 6, it is 5 by 36. Sum is equal to 4, what is 5 minus 1? The answer is 4. So 4 by 36. What is sum is equal to 4? 4 minus 1, it is 3. So 3 by 36. What is sum is equal to 3? It is 3 minus 1, 2 by 36. What is sum is equal to 2? It is 1 by 36. So on the left side, it is very simple. If someone is asking you what is the probability that sum is equal to 6, it's a matter of second. No sample space is required, nothing is required. What is sum is equal to 5? It is 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 36. What is sum is equal to 6? It is 5 by 36. What is sum is equal to 4? 4 minus 1, it is 3 by 36. What is sum is equal to 7? It is 6 by 36. 7 minus 1, it is 6 by 36. Now our question answer is, what is the probability that their sum is equal to 7? The answer is 6 by 36. Even though I didn't explain the remaining part, now I'm going to explain the right part. Hope the left part is clear. It is just 1 minus. Sum is equal to 5, it is 4 by 36. Sum is equal to 4, it is 3 by 36. Sum is equal to 3, it is 2 by 36. Sum is equal to 2, it is 1 by 36. Sum is equal to 2 means 1 and 1. So there is one item, 1 by 36. Okay. Now let's discuss the sum is equal to 8, it is 5 by 36. Sum is equal to 9, it is 4 by 36. Sum is equal to 10, it is 3 by 36. Sum is equal to 11, it is 2 by 36. Sum is equal to 12, it is 1 by 36. It is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the same order. But if someone is asking you what is the probability that their sum equal to 9, then the students get some confusion. Oh, for 7 it is 6, 8 it is a little bit, students will think there are some confusion while solving the questions on the right side. So there is a technique for solving the questions on the right side. It is, the left side is just 1 minus, the right side is 13 minus. Suppose someone is asking you what is the probability that their sum is equal to 10. 13 minus 10, it is 3 by 36. Sum is equal to 11. 13 minus 11, 2 by 36. Sum is equal to 9. 13 minus 9, it is 4 by 36. So it's a matter of 1 second only. In 2018 November, they asked a question. If two unbiased dice are rolled, what is the probability that their sum equal to 9? The answer is a matter of single second. That is 13 minus 9, it is 4 by 36. Okay, here the question is tested, what is the probability that their sum equal to 7? Sum equal to 7, it is 6 by 36 is the answer. Now the maximum sum, maximum probability for getting some maximum probability of the sum is 6 by 36. In one of the exam, that is in 2015 June, they tested, let capital S denote the sum on the face of the two dice. S is having maximum probability when S is equal to dash. What is the maximum probability over here? The maximum probability over here, it is 6 by 36, and that maximum probability is goes to when sum is equal to 7. So sum is equal to 7 is having maximum probability. So sum is equal to 7 is having a probability of 6 by 36. Okay, so hope you understood how to find out this sum. Based upon this single diagram, I am going to explain all the remaining questions in seconds. So for the left side, it is just 1 minus, right side is 13 minus. So I am going to cover the second question. The second question, second model question is either or. Two unbiased dice are thrown. What is the probability that their sum is either 4 or 8? Option A 9 by 36, option B 5 by 36, option C 6 by 36, option D 8 by 36. Let's see the in maths and statistics or means plus. In maths and statistics or means plus and means multiplication. For the time being the question is only or, their sum is 4 or 8. This is the sum is equal to 4 or their sum is equal to 8. Okay, the probability of getting sum is equal to 4, it is 3, sum is equal to 8, it is 5. So this is 3 by 36 plus 5 by 36. 3 by 36 plus 5 by 36 is nothing but 8 by 36. So our answer is 8 by 36. This question can be cracked in seconds if you practice more questions like this. Question number 3. This is a question from the topic called neither nor. Two unbiased dice are thrown. What is the probability that their sum is neither 4 nor 8? The earlier question was either 4 or 8. Now the question is asking it is not 4 nor 8. That means it's just opposite of the answer. The previous answer of getting sum is either 4 or 8. For 4 let's discuss this. For 4 it is 3 and for 8 it is 5. The answer was 8 by 36. That is the answer for getting either or. So either or answer is 8 by 36 means neither nor answer will be 1 minus either or. 1 minus either or means 36 minus 8 or 1 minus 8 by 36, simply 36 minus 8, it is 28 by 36. If I will give you one more question. Okay, what is the probability that their sum is neither 6 nor 9? This is another question, neither 6 nor 9. Okay, now let's see. For either 6 and 9, for 6 it is 5, 9 it is 4, together it is 9. So question is, what is the probability that their sum is neither 6 nor 9? So the answer is either 6 or 9 is 9 by 36. So neither 6 or 9 is 1 minus 9 by 36, which is nothing but 36 minus 9, that is 27. So 27 divided by 36 is the answer for this question. Let's discuss question number 4. The question number 4, what is the chance of throwing? What is the chance of throwing at least 7 in a single cast with 2 dice? Actually, this question which I imparted from your textbook, ICAI textbook, said to be, I think question number 2 is the question. Actually, this question appeared in your exam. When it appeared in the exam, the question, they just changed the wording. They asked what is the probability that their sum is greater than 7. Sum is greater than 7. Okay, you have learned how to find out this sum. The sum is greater than or equal to 7. This is the question. Okay, now you remember you have find out how to find out the sum is, how to find out the sum. Let's discuss the sum is greater than or equal to 7. That is the question. So that is sum is equal to 7, which is covered. Sum is equal to 8 is covered. Sum is equal to 9 is covered. Sum is equal to 10 is covered. Sum is equal to 11 is covered. Sum is equal to 12 is covered. So you have to find out what is the probability that their sum is greater than or equal to 7. So that is 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6 into 7 divided by 1 into 2, that is 21. 21 divided by 36 is the answer. So the answer of this question is nothing but 21 divided by 36. Actually, a question which is taking a lot of time can be cracked with the help of some simple techniques. Okay, now let's move into the questions on conditional sum. Actually, questions on conditional sum is a one kind of question from the conditional probability. So this question which is particularly related to the dice, I am discussing this question. Let's see, two unbiased dice are thrown, their sum is 8, which is already happened. Their sum is 8. What is the probability that one die shows 3? Actually, this is a conditional probability where one thing is already occurred. Now you have to find out what is the probability of happening the other thing. The other thing is here. 1 die shows 3. Let's discuss this question. Okay, getting the sum is equal to 8. The possibilities in the sample space is 2, 6. Then it could be 3, 5. Then it could be 4 and 4. Then it could be 5, 3. Then it could be 6, 2. These are the possibilities. The possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chances because it is conditional probability where the sum is already happened, which is 8. Now they are asking what is the probability that 1 die shows 3. 1 die shows 3 means here there is 3, 5 and here there is 5, 3. So there are 2 outcomes. The answer is 2 by 5. The answer of this question is 2 by 5. For cracking the questions on conditional probability, I have a technique. Let me tell you one thing. Whenever the question is asking 1 die shows and the question is conditional probability, the numerator of the question will be always 2, because if there is 3, 5, then definitely there will be 5, 3. So the numerator, suppose their sum is equal to 9, what is the probability that 1 die shows 4? Numerator will be always 2, because 4, 5, 5, 4 will be there. And the denominator of the question, that is the question which we have to find out. Their sum is equal to 8. Now please remember, what is the formula for getting sum is equal to 8? You remember the technique is on the right side. 13 minus 8, it is 5. So the answer is 2 by 5. This is the answer of the previous question. Now I'm going to change this question. Their sum is equal to 8. Instead of sum is equal to 8, what I'm going to do, their sum is equal to 9. What is the probability that 1 die shows 5? 1 die shows 5. Any question where the question is asking conditional probability question where they're asking 1 die shows. 1 die shows 5 means the numerator will be 2. This is the numerator and their sum is 9. Now you have to look at into what is the probability that their sum equal to 9. It is 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9, it is 4. So the answer is 2 by 4. Answer is 2 by 4. I'm giving you one more question. Their sum equal to 7. Instead of this 9, I'm changing. Instead of this 8, it is 7. Their sum is equal to 7. Now they're asking what is the probability that 1 die shows 2. Okay, it's a conditional probability question. 1 die shows 2. So numerator will be 2. Numerator will be 2. 1 die shows 7. The answer is just 7 minus 1, that is 6. Please remember the table. Sum of 7, that is 6 by 36. Instead of giving the 36, I remove the word 36. The sum is equal to 7. There are 6 possibilities. So the answer is 2 by 6. So any questions of conditional probability, the numerator will be always 2. Denominator will be the sum. This is the rule on doing the conditional probability question. Hope it is clear. Now, so the answer of this question is 2 by 5. My dear friends, now I am going to discuss the topic called division on the sum on the face of the die. In the history of CA CPT exam, only 2 time questions with the division is tested in the exam. One is in 2014 December. Other one is 2016 June. I am discussing the question which is appeared in 2016 June, and this is the question which many people find very difficulty to crack because it contains a lot of steps, because lot of calculation, even extraordinary students failed in answering this question. Let's see how to crack this question in seconds. Let's discuss. 2 unbiased dice are thrown. What is the probability that their sum is divisible by 3 or 4? This is the question. Their sum has to be divisible by 3 or 4. Let's look at the word very particularly. The word is 3 or 4. The word is not 3 and 4. 3 and 4 means it is sum is equal to 12. So the answer is 1 by 36. It's a matter of single second. But the question is 3 or 4. Please be very careful with the word or. Let's discuss. So the answer is there given 21 by 36, 20 by 36, 18 by 36, 17 by 36. This is a complicated question. Let's see how to crack this question. Now their sum is, the question is asking what is the probability that their sum is divisible by 3 or 4. Let's discuss. Their sum is divisible by 3 means sum is divisible by 3, 3 is possible. Then divisible by 3 means 6 is there. Then divisible by 3 means 9 is there. Divisible by 3 means 12 is there. So these are the items which are divisible by 3. The question is not only divisible by 3 but as well divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means it is 4, it is 8, then it is 12. 12 should not be counted twice, it should be counted only one time because there is only one 12. So this is 2, this is 3, that is 2 plus 3 it is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 it is 15, then 15 plus 4 it is 19, 19 plus 1 it is 20. So the answer is 20 by 36. So the answer is 20 by 36. Once again, divisible by 3 means it is 3, 6, 9, 12. Divisible by 4 means it is 4, 8, 12. So 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12. Okay, this question can be cracked a little bit faster with the help of some diagram as well. If you understand this, question, hope this question can be cracked with the help of some diagram. Let me explain how to crack this question little bit faster. Let's see. The question is divisible by 3 or 4. This is the question. Okay. Now, hope you understood the last method which I used, which I cracked the question from the table of sum. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just draw a scale. So, divisible by 3 or 4 is the question. So, divisible by 3 means it could be 3, it could be 6, then it could be 9, and then it could be 12. This is the divisible by 3. Then divisible by 4 means it could be 4, then it could be 8, then it could be 12. So divisible by 3 it is 2 by 36, divisible by 4 it is 3 by 36, divisible by 6, sorry, sum is equal to 6 means it is 5 by 36. Then sum is equal to 8 means it is 5 by 36. Sum is equal to 9 means it is 4 by 36. Sum is equal to 12 means it is 1 by 36. So adding 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1, that is 20. So the answer is 20. In this way you can practice at home and you can improve the speed of your speed of doing the question. You can improve the speed of doing the question. In 2014 December, they asked a question, what is the probability that their sum is divisible by 4? It's only one part of the question. In 2016 June, they asked their sum is divisible by 3 or 4, but in 2014 they asked their sum is divisible by only 4. So it's very simple. Half of this question, sum is divisible by 4 means it could be 4, it could be 8, or it could be 12. Okay, sum equal to 4 means it is 3 by 36. Sum equal to 8 means it is 5 by 36. Sum equal to 12 means it is 1 by 36. Together 3 plus 5 plus 1. So the answer is 9 by 36. In question number 7, I am going to discuss the concept of difference. Here in the early question we have discussed the sum, then I have discussed the division. Now what I'm going to discuss, the difference. Two unbiased dice are thrown. What is the probability that their difference is 2? Their difference is 2. So instead of writing the sample space for like what I did for the sum, here also I'm writing some techniques for cracking the questions in seconds. So the answer is option A is 10 by 36, option B 8 by 36, option C 6 by 36, option D 4 by 36. Now let's see, there is a technique for finding the difference. Before I am explaining the difference, you should know what is the difference of 2. From the first row of your sample space, there are outcome 1 and 3. Then in the second row, there is outcome 2 and 4. Then in the third row, 3, 1, 3, 5 is there. In the fourth row, 4 2, 4 6 is there. In the fifth row 5 3, then 5 7 is not there, 5 3 is there. In the next row 6 4 is there, 6 8 is not there. So there are some items which are the difference is 2. Let's see how to crack this question in seconds. Now my dear friends, the difference could be 1, difference could be 2, difference could be 3, difference could be 4, as well as the difference could be 5 is possible. Now for finding the probability, difference of 1, it is 10 by 36. So difference of 1 is 10. So difference of 1 point is 10 by 36. Difference of 2, it is 8, gap of 2. Then difference of 3, it is 6. Then it is 4. Then it is 2. So you can draw a diagram where suppose the question is asking what is the difference of 3. Question is asking what is the difference of 3. Draw a diagram like this: 1, 2, 3. So for 1 it is 10, for 2 it is 8, and for 3 it is 6. So the answer is 6 by 36. This way you can crack the questions on difference. Now our question difference is 2. Difference is 2 means it is difference of 1 is 10 by 36. Difference of 2 it is 8 by 36. So answer of this question is very simple. It is 8 by 36. And apart from these 5 differences, there is one more question from the topic called difference. From the topic called difference, there is one more question, that is difference of 0 point. Difference of 0 point. This question is appearing in your exam in 3 different ways. Apart from these 5 questions, there is one more question from the topic called difference, that is difference of 0 point. In your exam they are asking difference of no point, difference of no point they are asking in your exam, or difference of no point means both the dice are showing the same number, that is 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 1 minus 1, the difference is 0. Then 2 and 2, 2 minus 2, difference is 0. 3 and 3, 3 minus the difference is 0. 4 and 4, 4 minus 4, difference is 0. 5 minus 5, the difference is 0. 6 minus 6, the difference is 0. So this means difference of no point means difference is 0. So there are 6 outcomes. There are difference of no point or difference of 0 means there are 6 outcomes. The answer of this question is 6 by 36. This question is appearing in exam in 3 different ways. One is the probability that the difference on the 2 dice is no point, then the difference is 0, then both the dice shows same number or doublet. Both the dice shows doublet, that means doublet. Both the dice shows same number or doublet. So answer of that question is 6 by 36, that is which is not given in the table. Okay.
Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.